Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy paper squishy without tape or stuffing. So what you're going to need is some paper, something to draw with, something to color with, that's optional, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, this is optional too, a ruler, and instead of stuffing, we're going to use a bag. This is a Super One bag. Really squishy, so it's perfect. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna draw what you're gonna make into a squishy. I'm gonna actually use a pencil to trace it out first. I'm making a square. Okay, now I'm gonna erase the edges. You can make any shape or anything you want. It can be a fruit, whatever. I'm going to trace on all of this with a permanent marker. Okay, I'm all done drawing my animal. This is how it looks. Pretty big, but I think there's enough of this to stuff it. Okay, now I am going to trace over it and color it. Okay, I'm almost done coloring it. Right, I'm all done now. This is how it looks now. Now I have two papers here because mine's pretty big. I'm going to need 2 layers, so I can put stuffing in so it's not just like flat. So now I'm going to cut it out. I'll put it on top of this paper, then I'm going to cut it out. Okay, I finished cutting it now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue all around the edges, but not the top. I have to have an opening so I can put some of this bag in it so I can stuff it. So just on the edges. Now you're going to put this top layer on top now. Press down. If it doesn't stick, you can just re-glue it. Do the same thing you just did if it doesn't stick. Okay, here it is. If it has any holes, then we can glue them shut. has one right there. Don't want any holes, or the stuffing might get out. Stuff you're gonna stuff it with, you can. If you do have stuffing and you want to use it, then you can use it. But I'm gonna use this back. It makes good stuffing. Okay, cut off a piece. These are just a little more. Okay, when it's how you like it, you can make as squishy as you want. But if you have too much, it might not want to glue close. So, yeah. I'm gonna just glue the top shut. Okay, I'm done gluing it shut. I think I got all the holes in here. It is pretty squishy. And that's it. That's how you can make an easy paper squishy. You don't even need tape. You can make yours as squishy as you want. But if you have too much of like a baggie or too much stuffing in it, then it will probably not want to glue shut. If you use tape, then it'll probably, even if you do too much, it might still work. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed this video.